Hello boys and girls and welcome to my channel. Do you know which is the biggest brand in insurance in India? Do you know which is the company that holds a major stake in some of the biggest Indian companies like RIL, IDFC Bank, etc.? Do you know which is the company that helps the government of India in case of any monetary emergencies? Yes, we all know the answer. It is the Life Insurance Corporation of India. It is the biggest brand that has been in existence for the last 65 odd years and has its presence across every Indian household. Whether being nudged by our parents or being nudged by certain well-meaning relatives, we all have a lot of LIC policies with us that often go unnoticed and unmanaged. As a result of which, LIC has thousands of crores of rupees lying as unclaimed premiums. Now, why does this happen? This is because we don't know the policy or we don't care to read the terms and conditions, and we just let the policy go either by not renewing it or by not claiming for it when it's rightfully ours. So I decided to put together certain best practices that I think will help all of us in claiming for our LIC policies when it's due, and in maintaining them, getting the bonus amounts on time whenever it's due for us. So let's get started. The first tip to maintain your policies is to make sure you have a tracking sheet. Like everything else, I reach out to Excel sheets or Google spreadsheets to make sure that we capture all key details of our LIC policies. Whether it's your sum insured, your premium amount, your premium paying frequency, the policy name, the policy term, the nominee details, all of this should get captured in your spreadsheet. You should also make sure that in case there is a scenario in which you've not started tracking your policies from the time of your purchase, please make sure that you take out the hard copies of the policies, arrange them in order, and start recording the details of the policies in the spreadsheet in the columns that I just discussed above. The second tip to maintain our LIC policy is to make sure that we pay our premiums on time. LIC policies are very, very handy when we have a medical emergency, and they can only be useful if all our premiums are paid well within time. If we end up paying our premium and our policy lapses, LIC may or may not honor our claim. Hence, we have to make sure that all our premiums are paid within the due date for all the policies for which we intend to claim. For doing this, make sure you get all the maturity dates of the policies and record it in your tracking sheet. And once all the maturity dates are available with you, please set a reminder in your calendar 1 month in advance, 1 month before the policy due date, to make sure that you have adequate time to arrange for funds in case you have a cash flow issue at that time. And you should also have 2 additional reminders, maybe say 15 days before your due date and 10 days before your due date, so that you have multiple reminders and you don't miss your due date. LIC also sends reminders through letters, emails, SMSs, but make sure you also do your part and pay your premiums on time and put reminders for such payments adequately in your calendars. This is of course a one-time activity, but it will go a long way in making sure that all your that your loved ones are protected in case there is an emergency. The third point in maintaining your LIC policy is to make sure that you get all your bonus payments and you update your account details with Life Insurance Corporation of India. A lot of your LIC policies come with something called bonus payouts after you've served a certain number of years in the policy. To get such bonus payouts, you need to submit the hard copy of your policy bond and your account details, which essentially is an NEFT mandate form to LIC, along with a copy of the cancelled check to the nearest branch. An alternative is also that you go and update your account details on the service requests tab of the customer portal, LIC has something called as an online customer portal, which is available in LIC of India website. I'll also share a screenshot at the end of the video, and I'll also share the link of the service request tab in the description box. And on this service request, you can make sure that that your account details are updated, so that you don't need to visit the branch in case of any kind of bonus payouts. The fourth tip to manage your LIC policy is to make sure that you record all your policies in the customer portal. Like I had mentioned, LIC has something called as a customer portal, which allows you to track details of all your policies at one place. Like we did for the tracking sheets, we need to take out all the policies or the hard copies of all your policies and do this one-time activity wherein we record the key details of the policy in the customer portal along with our profile information like our email ID, phone number in the customer portal. Now once these details are recorded, you get multiple views of your profile. So you get a dashboard view in which you can view all the details of all the policies in one shot, and you also get an individual policy view in which you are able to see a single policy at one time, and you can go into detailing of that particular policy. While maintaining a tracking sheet, we might track the high level parameters. Your customer portal gives you a lot of in-depth information about your policy, including your agent details, your policy term, your policy payout frequency, bonuses that are accrued in your policy, which may or may not be available to you at real time in your tracking sheet. Hence, it is very, very important for you to maintain your policies through the LIC customer portal. LIC customer portal also gives you a reminder for your premium payouts. It tells you your premium payout dates, and it also allows you to pay your premium online through the portal itself, which is all brilliant because you don't have to go anywhere, or you don't have to visit the branch to carry out these transactional things. Your last point to maintain your LIC policies is to make sure that you have hard copies of all your policy bonds. Your LIC of India does not entertain a claim without the hard copy of your policy bond. Hence, you need to make sure that the hard copy of your policies are available with the nominee of your policy, and if possible, an information of the hard copies is also available with the nominee of nominee, to make sure that you claim your policies rightfully at the right time, and the right nominee can reach can reach out for the amount that is rightfully yours. So these were the 5 things that I think are the best practices to maintain your policy. If you think I've missed out something, please do comment in the comment section and make sure that you let me know. It will help a lot of others who are reading and viewing these videos. If you think the content was good, please do share it with your families and friends, and do make sure you subscribe to the channel to get regular updates on personal finance and health insurance. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.